Aesthetic Next has definitely built a reputation in the industry as being one of the conferences that a lot of people are more accepting here. We're more of a community here. I think if you ever go to a lot of the conferences here in the US, there's some kind of bouginess that happens amongst certain groups of practitioners. And I think this is one of the conferences that's a lot more open, a lot more caring, and everybody's here to learn and to grow and to elevate the industry. And so we decided to bring Aesthetic Immersion here and bring our foundational course. If you build your base of knowledge off of a solid foundation, off a solid rock, everything you do builds strongly up from there. And so that's where Aesthetic Immersion came out of, is Lori and I do a lot of trainings, and we really wanted to give back. We keep the classes smaller, so it's a more intimate aspect of it. So that's why we're here, to hopefully continue to educate, elevate the industry, and to be a part of the community.